Hey everyone, James Smith here, and today I've got something truly game-changing to share with you. If you're looking to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and tap into over 200 passive income streams effortlessly, then the AI Ninja Kit is an absolute must-have. This revolutionary technology is not only incredibly newbie-friendly, but it's also packed with over 200 business-boosting AI tools that will skyrocket your business growth in the most cost-effective manner. And here's the best part. If you purchase the AI Ninja Kit through the link in the description, you'll not only gain access to this incredible platform but also receive exclusive bonuses from my side. So don't miss out on this golden opportunity to supercharge your business and grab those bonuses. Click the link below and let's embark on this AI-powered journey together. Now, let's dive into the review and see why the AI Ninja Kit is truly a game-changer for entrepreneurs like us. Introducing AI Ninja Kit, the groundbreaking technology that brings the incredible power of artificial intelligence right to your fingertips. This revolutionary kit is a game-changer, opening up over 200 passive income streams for anyone, regardless of their prior skills or experience. Bid farewell to the days of struggling with complicated tools and say hello to a smooth and user-friendly experience. At the heart of AI Ninja Kit lies its impressive collection of 200-plus business-boosting AI tools, all powered by the cutting-edge GPT-4 technology. These tools are your ticket to taking your business growth to unprecedented heights. From attention-grabbing marketing assets to captivating content creation, everything is at your disposal, conveniently accessible from a single dashboard. The first-mover advantage is yours with AI Ninja Kit, enabling you to stay ahead of the competition and crush them with your innovative approach. Embrace the magic of result-generating AI prompts that effortlessly guide you in creating compelling content tailored precisely to your target audience, keeping them engaged and hooked. Ease and convenience are at the core of AI Ninja Kit's design. Forget about tedious downloads, installations, or customizations. Get started within seconds. It works seamlessly across all devices, allowing you to stay in control of your business no matter where you go. But wait, there's more. With AI Ninja Kit, you're not just gaining access to its incredible features. You also receive a limited-time commercial license, empowering you to leverage AI's might in crafting captivating marketing assets that you can sell to a global audience hungry for such innovative solutions. The opportunities are limitless. As if that's not enough, you'll be delighted to discover the cherry on top. By acquiring AI Ninja Kit today, you'll unlock premium, never-before-offered bonuses valued at an astounding $6,658. These invaluable additions will turbocharge your success and catapult your business to unprecedented heights. Harness the full potential of over 200 AI-based tools at your disposal and craft compelling sales pages that captivate your audience using proven techniques like IDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and 6W strategies to drive conversions effortlessly. With the AI's prowess, create persuasive product reviews, captivating social media posts, and irresistible Upwork proposals without breaking a sweat. Prepare to reap the rewards as your business experiences unparalleled growth. But that's not all. The AI Ninja Kit offers a plethora of AI-driven tasks to simplify your business endeavors even further. Elevate your marketing efforts to new heights with a complete marketing kit. Seize attention with clickbait headlines generated in mere seconds. Showcase your expertise through professionally crafted video courses that leave a lasting impact on your audience. Announce product launches with flair and sophistication using AI-generated press releases. Maximize your SEO strategy with hand-picked long-tail keywords for maximum visibility. Keep your social media presence engaging and consistent with the AI Ninja Kit's content ideas and 7-day scheduling capabilities. AI Ninja Kit is a versatile tool designed for a wide range of users, including website owners, digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, social media marketers, e-commerce store owners, SAS business owners, email marketers, influencers, video marketers, small business owners, bloggers, vloggers, coaches, and trainers. It offers numerous benefits, for business owners globally. With AI Ninja Kit, you can create compelling product descriptions for Amazon that have the potential to rank on the first page of search results, increasing your product's visibility. Craft engaging product titles that stand out in the competitive market, grabbing the attention of potential customers. The tool also enables you to build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices, encouraging users to keep coming back for more engagement. Additionally, you can create enticing article or blog introductions that captivate your audience from the start, driving higher reader interest. AI Ninja Kit goes beyond content creation. It can rephrase your content in different voices and styles, making it suitable for various readers and target audiences. You can use it to write professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines, effectively engaging leads and customers. For marketers, the tool proves useful in writing catchy and convincing headlines for Facebook ads, LinkedIn, and other platforms, helping your advertisements stand out and attract more clicks and conversions. If you're looking to improve SEO, AI Ninja Kit can rewrite existing content to include more keywords, potentially boosting your search engine rankings. It also assists in generating engaging and persuasive stories that captivate your readers. Beyond text-based content, the tool extends its capabilities to help you generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup within seconds. It simplifies subheading creation and extends short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. In the realm of social media, AI Ninja Kit can generate relevant and on-trend tweets using AI, ensuring you stay connected with your audience. For video marketers, it offers assistance in crafting catchy YouTube descriptions and titles, ultimately leading to higher rankings and shares. That's it for the review, guys.